Hello, I'm Daniella Beers, president of the reestablished KU American Red Cross Club. Today, I am excited to share our ongoing collaboration with Homeworks USA, an experience that continues to impact the community and deepen our club's values and understanding of housing insecurity. I'd like to thank the KU Center for Service Learning for this opportunity and thank my amazing executive board, Kaylin Wells, Sophia Patino, and Neo Kim, for their support. Also, a thanks to Frankie Davis, founder of Homeworks USA, for welcoming us and allowing us to be part of her meaningful work. Before we begin, who are we? The KU Red Cross Club serves as a bridge between KU students and the American Red Cross organization. As an ARCC, we plan service projects with the local Red Cross chapter and in Lawrence. We plan fun events while also giving our members the opportunity to get volunteer hours, get CPR certified, and feel a sense of community. The community partner we will be discussing is Homeworks USA, a nonprofit organization located at 2650 Chieftain Road, Lawrence, Kansas. Homeworks USA, led by Frankie Davis, is an affordable housing community for emerging adults aged 18 to 26, transitioning out of foster care. Since we began volunteering in February 2025, 2 new tenants have moved in, with 13 units yet to be filled. Frankie's passion for this mission is evident, and her words truly capture the heart of what Homework stands for. As she shared with us on the first day we met her, Homeworks USA is laying a strong foundation for the futures of these emerging adults, tied to 3 principles: home works, services matter, and that nature helps. Frankie is the driving force behind this vision. Her dedication, warmth, and unwavering belief in the potential of every young adult she serves are what makes this place so impactful. Our club and the broader Lawrence community deeply value and admire the work she does. She's not only building homes, she's helping to rebuild lives. And it is truly an honor to support her mission. Before volunteering with Homeworks USA, I hadn't fully considered what it means to lack a place to call home. This experience challenged my assumptions about stability and made me reflect on the privileges I often overlook, such as having a safe, consistent roof over my head. Learning about the housing market in Lawrence contrasted sharply with Homework's affordable units at just $500 a month. The heartbreaking statistic that 19,000 young adults age out of foster care each year in the U.S. underscored the urgent need for affordable housing solutions. And Homeworks USA does more than provide shelter. They provide access to transportation, a community garden, and a strong support system. In just 4 months of partnering with Homeworks, our club has contributed to an estimated $5,088 in volunteer labor and support. This includes a variety of tasks to help transform the space into a welcoming home for its tenants, such as creating a butterfly garden, sanding door frames, and preparing houses for move-in. The experience has left a lasting impact on many of our members. Thomas J. Rowe shared, "It is so incredibly rewarding knowing that even in the short time I was there, I made an impact in both Frankie's life and the lives of people who will be residing at Homeworks in the future." And as Maddie Sago put it so beautifully, "This organization taught me that a house is more than just a place for shelter. It is an opportunity for some for growth and progress in everyday life." Volunteering at Homeworks has deeply shifted my perspective on myself, others, and the kind of community I want to help build. It's made me recognize the urgency of creating sustainable, compassionate support systems. This experience pushed me to reflect on the bigger picture, on the structural challenges and housing and power of community to be part of the solution. Before joining this club, I often felt disconnected, but finding a shared purpose through this work has added so much light and meaning to my life. Sociologist Emil Durkheim described collective effervescence, the feeling of connection and shared purpose when people unite around something meaningful. And that is exactly what I feel when I'm with this club. In a world struggling with disconnection and instability, I believe it is more important than ever to be a helping hand, to be the light in someone's life. My time at Homeworks has affirmed that this is the kind of impact I want to keep working towards. None of this would have been possible without the support and guidance of our community partners. Because of them and every member who shows up to serve, our club has become more than just an organization. It's become a force for meaningful change. And this is just the beginning.